Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kitech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing restaurant website. So let's say you own a small restaurant, or maybe you have a client who wants you to do, a restaurant website for him or her. And then the person needs, a website whereby they can be able to order online and then delivered to them. Okay, so this is a very small restaurant website that can help all small businesses everywhere in the world. Now I'm going to take you through how the whole website looks like, and then if you are interested in it, you can follow along. So this the homepage of the website, the restaurant website. Okay, so as you can see over here, very beautiful images over here. Now at the top, very beginning top of it, we have the hero section over here. Now when you scroll, it is having a sticky header, so the header will changes towards a white background over here. Okay, so as you can see, it is having a transparent header over here, but then at the moment you scroll, it changes towards that sticky white header over there. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can be able to create it. Now everything that I used in this website is all free resources. You're not going to buy anything apart from your domain name and then your hosting that you're going to use to create this website. Now what I'm going to take you through everything. Okay, so just follow along and let's go. So like I said, this is what the header over here with the the menu items over here. Okay, so we have the logo of the website, the homepage, the about, the menu, the account page, and then with other account related details over here, the logout button, and then the order online button over here. Okay, so this is what the header. Now when you come over here, we have the hero session. Okay, so with the hero session is a sticky hero session over here. As you can see, the background is fixed, and then the top of it is scrolling upwards. Okay, so I will show you how you can be able to design this thing from scratch. Okay, now everything that we use in this website is no coding. We never use any coding. There is no single line of code that you're going to write to design this website. Okay, so as you can see, when you scroll down, we have this beautiful section over here. Okay, which talks about your restaurant. Okay, so as you can see, I have a background over here. You can see another background over here. Everything is sleek and modernized. Okay, to suit any restaurant website that you want to create. And then you can showcase some other pictures of your website. So as you can see, this is how you can also showcase the hours that you are working, everything over here. Okay, and then a small little bit of your restaurant over here, and then the button which sends them to the about page to read more about the restaurant. Now if you go over here, we have the restaurant menu too over here. Okay, so as you can see, we have our menu, quality ingredients, tasty meals, and then you can write a little bit about it, and then you can display some of your favorite or your popular dishes that customers really order over here. Okay, just showcase it on your homepage, and then you can give a button over here for them to see the entire menu. Okay, and that is it. Now if you scroll down over here, also these are happy moments and happy hours during the in the restaurant. So you can have a nice picture of your restaurant over here, and then you write about maybe your favorite day, or the days that you are busy at the restaurant and people come over there. Maybe you have some live band show or anything that you do over there. You can be able to showcase and write it over here, and then what customers also say about your restaurant. The happy customers, you can also list them over here, and then also a call to action over here, which talks about if they want to book a reservation, if they order online, they have a problem, they can call this number over here, and then your social reviews, or maybe people want to check reviews about your website on other social platform. You can list them, put them over here, and then give a link of it, so that people can be able to go over there to check your social reviews. Okay, so this is basically how the homepage really looks like. And then this is also the what, the about page. So a very nice modernized what, about page, okay, over here. So as you can see, very neat and very sleek about us page over here. You can, go into details about your restaurant, what you guys do, and then put some chefs over here. Okay, so uh, I needed to crop this picture, but then don't worry, this is not professional. Okay, I know it's not professional because all the images are supposed to be the same. Okay, I didn't check this one, but then if you are doing it for your client, make sure that all the images are the same. Okay, make sure that all the images are the same, they are of the same size. Okay, that is a professional website. But aside that, everything is what, neat and sleek. As you can see, amazing font that we used over here. Everything is what, correct. Now recommended by all these what, all these review sites. Okay, Facebook review, Yelp, and then Twitter. You also have Trip, and then this one is with Google. Okay, so you can what, also what, do the same thing over there. And then we have what, the same call to action over there. Okay, now this is what, the main menu site. Okay, or the main menu page. Okay, now you can either click over a customer, or user can either click over here or click on what, the order online. Okay, we'll send them to what, the menu page. Now let's click over there and then see what happens. So a customer comes over there and then wants to what, order online. Okay, so as you can see, at the moment the person clicks on order online, it brings the person to this page, and what happens? Boom, this pop-up shows over here. Do you want a pickup or delivery? Okay, so if the person wants the pickup, the person needs to select the time that the person wants to pick it up. If the person wants to delivery, the person can also select the time that they want it to be delivered to him or her. Okay, so let's say we want to just a pickup. Okay, we will update it, and then we go to our page to see what they have. Okay, the menu over there. Now as you can see, we have what, a sticky bar over here, which is what, the cart. Okay, so as you can see, there is what, the cart is what, empty over here. There's nothing in it. Okay, now if you scroll down over here, you can see all the menu, everything from beverages to breakfast to dinner to, so you can check through all what, the menu over here. So we have the fast food, the lunch, okay, items over here. So let's say you want jollof rice and chicken. For those of you who don't know jollof rice, this is Ghanaian jollof rice, not the Nigerian jollof rice. Okay, so maybe you want jollof rice and chicken, you can just click on add to cart over here, and then you see this pop up over here, which there is an add-ons over here. So what do you want included? So you can maybe add some egg to it, you can add some meat and then salad to it, and then you add it to your cart. Okay, so now as you can see, it will be listed over here. Okay, so you can go up over here and then see the details over here. Okay, as easily as that. Then maybe you want some fresh juice also, you can add it to cart, and then you can click on it to add to cart. Maybe you still want let's say some burger attached to it, you can also add it to cart. Okay, maybe you want two because one for your friend, you can add it to cart. And as you can see, we have amazing amount of money that we have to pay over here. Okay, so you can check all of them, the subtotal and everything is here. And then if everything is okay for you, you can click on continue to continue to the checkout. Now as you can see, this is this is the checkout page. Okay, so because it is because we are saying it is pickup. Now pickup is local pickup, no no shipping fee. Okay, so you just enter your details over here, everything that you want to the time, the date, everything. Now let's say we get over here and then we said no, we don't want pickup, we want delivery. Okay, so let's say we want them to deliver it to us. Now as you can see, it reload itself, and then there's going to be a delivery fee of $30 attach to it, the money, okay, and then we're going to pay this one instead, okay. So if you go through, you can see it, you can see that everything is okay, and then you can decide to what, to click here to place your what. But now, by the way, I did not add any payment over here, but you can go ahead and add your payment details at the back end of the what, of the, but I want what, cash on delivery, because I want them to what, when I deliver to them, they pay me the cash and then I go my way. So I just click on what, place order over here. You can add any payment system that you want to add, okay. I add the and then it is what, it has been what, it has been, your order details over here, everything is what, fixed, everything is what, totally calculated, and email will be sent to you to see it. So you see your what, your order has been received, details of your order, everything, the amount that you are supposed to pay and everything, okay, over here. Now that you have everything checked out, everything is what, successful. Now what do you want to do? It is up to the admin to prepare the dish and everything, and then send it to what, the user, okay. And that is what, and that is it. So basically this is how everything works. Now this is how the backend, this is the also what, the backend of the what, of the website. Now for those of you who don't know, this website uses what, WooCommerce, okay. Now all what we used is what, using what, WooCommerce to what, to create this beautiful what, food store. Now if you look at this website over here, this is what gave me the inspiration to create the website that you just what, you just checked, okay. So this I took inspiration from this website. Now these people created the plugin, okay. These people created the plugin, the amazing plugin that I used in what, in creating this what, this website. So as you can see, I took inspiration from what, this beautiful what, website over here, okay. It is almost similar to what, to this one, okay. So that is where I took the inspiration from. So if you also need inspiration, you can also go over there, check out their knowledge base and other things, and then you can be able to what, go ahead and then read more about the plugin that we are using to create this website, okay. So this is the website that we are going to create. So if you might think the website is not responsive, as you can see, the website is very, very responsive, okay. So it is very responsive. You can do, use any phone to access the website anyhow you want it. Now when you tap on the other line button, it will send you to the other page over there, and then you can check out from that place, select any menu that you want to select, and then be able to check out freely from that place using what, the order now button. So the website is very, very responsive. You can check out, you can select anything that you want to any menu item that you want to select, and then check out using what, the order now button on the phone. So guys, now if you are interested in it and you want to really learn how I created this website from scratch, okay, please don't go anywhere. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stay tuned. I'll be back.